Once upon a time, more than 2500 years ago, in a small kingdom called Kapilvastu, lived a prince named Siddhartha Gautama. Born into a royal family, Siddhartha had everything: wealth, power, and luxury. His father, King Suddhodana, tried to shield him from the harsh realities of life. He wanted Siddhartha to become a great king and ruler, so he surrounded him with comfort and joy, keeping him away from any form of suffering. However, one day, Siddhartha left the palace and saw the outside world for the first time. What he saw deeply affected him. He encountered an old man, a sick man, and a dead man. Siddhartha realized that no amount of wealth could prevent aging, illness, or death. These realizations troubled him greatly. He thought, how can I live in comfort while others suffer? What is the true meaning of life? Determined to find answers, Siddhartha left his royal life behind. He renounced his wealth, his family, and all worldly pleasures to seek the truth. For years, he wandered, learning from different teachers and practicing severe forms of meditation. Yet, no matter how hard he tried, he could not find the peace or enlightenment he sought. Finally, after much struggle, Siddhartha sat under a Bodhi tree, vowing not to leave until he discovered the truth. He meditated for many days and nights, facing doubts and distractions. But eventually, in the stillness of his mind, he achieved enlightenment. He became the Buddha, which means the enlightened one. The Buddha realized that life is full of suffering, but there is a way to overcome it. He called this the middle way, a path of balance, wisdom, and compassion. He discovered the Four Noble Truths: life is suffering. Suffering has a cause, attachment and desire. Suffering can end by letting go of attachments. There is a path to end suffering, known as the Noble Eightfold Path. Buddha spent the rest of his life teaching others how to find inner peace, compassion, and wisdom. He taught that happiness doesn't come from material possessions but from understanding and compassion for others.